The Pagani Design Min Automatic Mechanical Diver watch is a luxury timepiece known for its durability and high-end features. It has a 200-meter water resistance, making it ideal for diving and water activities. The watch features a sapphire crystal for scratch resistance and an automatic mechanical movement, meaning it doesn't need a battery to function. The design is stylish and aimed at those who appreciate both form and function, offering a premium feel at a more accessible price point. Here are several reasons why you might consider purchasing the Pagani Design Min Automatic Mechanical Diver Watch. 1. Luxury at an affordable price. Offers the look and feel of a luxury watch for under $150, making it great value. 2. Durable and functional. Features 200 m water resistance, perfect for diving and other water activities. Point 3. Automatic movement. No need for batteries. Powered by the movement of your wrist. 4. Sapphire crystal. Provides superior scratch resistance, ensuring long-term durability. 5. Stylish design. Ideal for both casual and formal wear. It's a solid investment for anyone seeking a stylish, high-performing watch.